To make a table fit on one page in Google Docs, use the Pageless feature. You can access this at Page Setup and then click Pageless. Click OK. Then insert your table with 4 cells initially, and then click on the plus, and as you notice, it widens the table to fill the whole canvas of the page. Now we'll insert more rows. Drag the last row to the bottom and then click Distribute Rows. So that's how you make a table fit on one page in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to support the channel.